besties? It's your favorite bestie back on the scene. So you already know what it is. If you're not trying to be my bestie now, you're going to be my bestie later. So you already know, go tell your friends to get with my friends so we all can be friends. Now, make sure you guys follow me on all my social media platforms. They're on the screen right here. And y'all see the title of the video, y'all see the thumbnail, cooking again. And it's time we are making shrimp and salmon with a special sauce. So go ahead and make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Give this video a like and comment. Tell me guys what you think about the recipe. If y'all like gonna try it, if y'all do try it, how y'all like it. And usually with this, I put it with rice on top and like vegetables and stuff on the side. And I'll show y'all what the whole thing looks like because I made it before. But today I'm just showing y'all how I make the salmon and the shrimp and the sauce. Okay, so we're gonna get straight into the video. Okay, so these are all your seasonings you're gonna need. This is salt and pepper. I don't think y'all, yeah, whatever. So take a screenshot. You're also gonna need some mustard. Go ahead and screenshot. Okay y'all, so usually you use heavy whipping cream, but all I got is half and half, so I'll put it in here. But for half and half, if you want it to be like heavy whipping cream, all you need is a tablespoon of melted butter. So that's also what I'm gonna have for this anyways, and plus butter is gonna be in the pan anyways, so it's okay. So now what we're gonna start is the salmon. I already washed my hands, so it's clean. We're gonna open this salmon, and the way I make the salmon, ooh, it's a little loose. Okay, salmon trying to float right now. All right, so we got the salmon. First thing I'm gonna do is get the mustard and put it all over the salmon, okay? And I'm telling y'all, y'all gonna be like, ew, what? I ain't shake it. Y'all gonna be like, ew, but I'm telling y'all, y'all not even gonna taste the mustard, especially if you don't like mustard. This is actually pretty good. I like it. It is gonna make, the way I'm making this salmon is it's gonna be like crispy. Like crispy on the outside, but like, you know, soft on the inside. So you're gonna put the mustard all over it like this. Okay, and I'm putting this in the air fryer. So if you don't got an air fryer, I'm sorry, I don't know what to tell you.
Soda up. I put this soda up and I drop them because I don't care. I don't care.
I'm just playing, but if you don't have an air fryer, I guess you could just fry it or like pan fry it until it's like crispy on the outside. It's no big deal, but I use the air fryer because one, it's faster and I ain't gotta deal with it. So boom. So boom. And now we're gonna start putting the seasonings on. I'm always touching my hands. I hate to put on my hands, y'all. Like when I go to touch other stuff. So we're gonna start slap your mammy. Nah, I like it a little spicy, so you do as you please. Some Tony's. This is the no salt Creole blend. I'm gonna go in there with a little garlic powder, some Adobo, whatever it's called. I don't put too much of that, honestly. It's just for some extra flavor. A little lemon pepper, and my lemon pepper stuff. And you could also put some Old Bay if you want to. That's also really good, but I don't got none. Ooh, I'll just put too much onion powder. It's okay. And then some pepper. And some parsley flakes. Boom. And then we're gonna do it to the other side. And I don't know why my stuff is trying to like fall off, but boom. Slap your mammy. And as you see, I really like slap your mammy. I like the spice. Some Tony's. Again, everything I just did, do it into the other side. Onion powder in garlic powder, lemon pepper. Oh, that was too much pepper. Parsley. And boom. A little bit of adobo. Alright. So now this is gonna go into the air fryer and we're gonna now season our shrimp. I'm just gonna be careful picking up this salmon because it's trying to like break apart. Okay, so same thing for the shrimp. I have medium cooked shrimp. So I'm gonna take about probably like 4 or 5 pieces because you know they get really small. That one already small. I'm gonna do one more. And I take the tails off because don't nobody feel like dealing with that. I'm trying to eat my shrimp and I'm just gonna put them here and season them now. Same onion powder and just kind of mix it up on the board. I'm going with a little garlic powder. Oh, make some shrimp off. Lemon pepper. Really, you should do this in a bowl, but I just didn't feel like getting a bowl. So mixing that, some slappy mammies. Like I told you, I really like slappy mammies, so yeah. Boom. Creole. No salt. We just gonna mix that up, and I'm not gonna use the adobo. And there we go. Throw a little parsley on it, just for the aesthetic and the look. I don't really feel like parsley has flavor. So boom, now that's seasoned. Okay, so now we're about to put it in the air fryer. You know the air fryer usually starts at 390. So you're gonna turn it down to 375 and then we're gonna put it in there for 15 minutes. So here's my I'm gonna pull this out a little more. Sorry. So now we're gonna put it in here. It's trying to fall apart, so sorry. Boom. Okay, put it in there. We're gonna close that and we're gonna set the timer for 15 minutes. And it might be done sooner just because it's not that thick of a piece of salmon. So yep, and that's pretty much it. Now I'm about to, well, it's not yet. I gotta show you how to make the shrimp and the sauce. So click start. There we go. Okay, now we're about to do the shrimp first. So I'm gonna switch these pans. I'm gonna use the smaller one for that and get that out the way. Okay, I'm gonna put it on low. And I'm gonna put some butter in here. Put it in a circle. We're just gonna take it, put them in here, put a lid on them. So now I just threw a lid on there, and now we're gonna move on to sauce. So now I'm gonna turn. That's gonna stay on. And again, we're gonna take some butter, put it in the pan. Sauce. Well, no, I'm just putting. No, I'm just using it.
Glad you could do so.
I don't feel like putting onions, but you can either use fresh onions or I would say good onion powder. But like I said, y'all use heavy whipping cream. Pour this in here. Start clean up with the sauce. I'm gonna take mozzarella. Put it in here. Now I'm going to take my mozzarella and start getting melted. Okay, so this is the salmon. It's like large size shrimps, but it's okay. Take our shrimp. So yep, we're gonna plate our shrimp like this. Boom. Okay. And now we're gonna get our sauce. And we gonna just drizzle it over it. Let me just pour it, y'all. Oh, that's a little too much. And there we go. And there you have it. Okay, so, oh, sorry y'all. I don't feel like editing this out, so this gonna be in here. So let me know if you guys try it. Oh wait, I forgot. And then you're gonna also put some parsley, you know, for the aesthetic. Take some parsley and you sprinkle it on top. That's how you get that fancy look. There you go. So okay, sorry, I just had to do some thumbnails. See how y'all like it. If y'all try it, it's really good to me. So go ahead and taste it on camera. So y'all know I ain't lying. I'm telling y'all, if you never made salmon like this, it's so crispy. Now I would get, instead of this, like I have a thin piece of salmon, I would get a thick cut. That'd be the only difference. Y'all try it out though. Made it spicy, but I'm gonna finish this and I will see you guys in the next video. Let me know what videos y'all want to see. Y'all really want, like, tell your girl, DM me, put it in the comments, whatever y'all want. More cooking, or y'all want more hair and makeup, vlogs, challenges, all that's coming. A lot of challenges will be coming in the next, like, I want to say week, 2 weeks, next week. I'm gonna say that about the next week. By the end of the week, it'll be some challenges up. So y'all tell me what y'all really want to see. Okay, your bestie is out though.